Interconversion of state of matter. It is the change of matter from one state to another and back to its original state. The processes involved in are melting, boiling, condensation, freezing, and sublimation. Melting. Melting is a process where solid changes to liquid. The particles absorb heat. Due to absorbing heat, the energy increases. Kinetic energy increases. The movement in the particle increases. The particles start moving apart. Intermolecular force of attraction decreases and melting takes place. Vaporization or boiling. It is a process in which water changes to water vapor. The particles absorb heat. Due to absorbing heat, the energy increases. The movement in the particles increases. Kinetic energy increases. The space between the particles increases. The force of attraction decreases. And liquid changes into gas. These were similarity. These melting and boiling, the particles behaved in a similar manner. Both gained energy. Due to gaining energy, the interparticular space increased, the interparticular force of attraction decreased, and the change of state took place. Now next, condensation. In condensation, it is the process where gas changes to liquid. The gas releases heat. Due to release of heat, the energy decreases. Kinetic energy decreases. Movement decreases. The particles come closer to each other. The force of attraction increases and the gas changes into liquid and condensation takes place. Freezing. Freezing is a process in which water changes into solid. The particles in the liquid release heat. Due to release of heat, energy is released. Kinetic energy reduces. Movement decreases. Due to this, the particles come closer to each other. When the particles come closer to each other, the change in the state takes place. Liquid changes into solid. Now if you see, there was similarity between condensation and freezing. In both the particles, they release the heat. Due to release of heat, the energy was released. Kinetic energy decreased. Movement of the particles decreased. Due to this, the space between the particles decreased. So force of attraction increased and the change of state took place. Lastly, sublimation. Sublimation is the process where solid directly changes to gas. This process is similar to the melting and boiling. The particles absorb the heat. After absorbing the heat, the energy increases. Due to increase in the energy, kinetic energy increases. The space between the particle increases. Force of attraction decreases and solid directly changes to gas. Sublimation is the process where solid directly changes to gas.